you know that exposure to certain air pollutants like those from wildfire can actually lower the testosterone level? And there's a surprising connection that may make you rethink your next outdoor adventure. California has been ravaged by wildfires in recent years. While we often focus on the immediate dangers they pose, there's a lesser known consequence that's equally concerning: the impact on our reproductive health. As we delve into this topic, it's essential to understand the connection between wildfires and men's health is more significant than we think. It's not just about the immediate danger of being caught in a wildfire, the long-term effects that can have a lasting impact on your well-being. So today we're going to explore unexpected ways California fires are secretly affecting your manhood. We will examine your research, expert opinions, and real-life examples that highlight the alarming connection between air quality and building health. By the end of this video, you have a better understanding of the risks and what steps you can take to mitigate them. So let's dive in and I'll provide the truth about California fires and their impact in men's health. When we talk about wildfires, they often focus on the immediate dangers, destruction of homes, the risk to human life, and the devastation of natural habitats. But what about the long-term consequences? The air quality in California has become top of mind, and the effects of these are far-reaching. Men in particular are at risk of suffering from fertility issues, hormonal imbalances, and the decline in the testosterone level. It's a complex issue that requires attention. So let's look at the evidence and see what the experts have to say. Research has shown that the smallest particles in wildfires, known as PM 2.5, can penetrate deep into our lungs, causing inflammation and damage to our respiratory system. But that's not all. These particles can also cross the blood-brain barrier, affecting our endocrine systems and leading to hormonal imbalances. Dr. Maria Rodriguez, an expert in environmental health, notes that short-term exposure to poor air quality can lead to decline in testosterone levels, which can have serious consequences for men's reproductive health. But a stark warning, and one that needs taken seriously. In 2018, Campfire in Butte County, California, was one of the deadliest and most destructive wildfires in the state's history. What about aftermath? Researchers from the University of California, Berkeley, found that men living in areas affected by the fire have significantly lower temperatures and poor stem semen policy compared to those living in unaffected areas. It's a chilling reminder of the long-term consequences of these devastating events. A study published in the Journal of Exposure Science and Environmental Epidemiology found that exposure to PM 2.5 during the 2017 wildfires in Napa and Sonoma counties led to a significant increase in emergency room visits for respiratory issues, cardiovascular disease, and even stroke. The same study found that men are more likely to suffer from these conditions than women. It's a concerning trend and one that highlights the need for greater awareness and action. We've seen the devastating effects of wildfires on our environment. But what about the human health? John, a 35-year-old firefighter who was involved in containing the 2019 King K fire in Sonoma County, justified from respiratory issues and was diagnosed with low testosterone levels after being exposed to poor air quality during the fire. The story is just one example of the real-life consequences of these devastating events that we're talking about. As we have seen, the connection between California fires and men's health is complex and far-reaching. What can we do to mitigate the risks? One of the most common effective ways to reduce exposure to poor air quality is to use air purifiers in your home. These devices 99% particle as small as low clean microns, providing a cleaner, healthier environment for you and your family. Another crucial step to stay informed on the air quality in the area. Websites like ENA.gov and PurpleAir.com provide real-time data on air quality, allowing you to make informed decisions about your daily activities. By staying indoors during periods of poor air quality, you'll be able to reduce your exposure to harmful particles and protect your health. When it comes to nutrition, there are certain foods that can help regulate low levels and support your reproductive health. Foods that are rich in omega-3 fatty acid like salmon and walnut can help reduce inflammation and support hormonal balance. Meanwhile, antioxidants like vitamin C and E can help combat oxidative stress and promote hormonal health. We have explored alarming connection between California fires and men's health. So what's next? You need to take action. Share this video with a friend, a family member who needs to know about the use of poor air quality. Subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Get ready to dive deeper to environmental health topics in our upcoming video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button on this video, comment below, and share your thoughts on this crucial topic.